Waykar Home Dehumidifier. Featuring a powerful compressor and 112 CFM system, is capable of removing moisture in spaces up to 2,000 square feet, whether you got a humid basement, office, home, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, stockroom, living room, laundry room, cellars, crawl space, etc. This dehumidifier can handle it all. Improves air quality, and promotes a comfortable environment by keeping your place in the ideal 45% to 55% humidity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Intelligent control panel for easy to use. 24-hour timer setting for preset operation and reduced energy consumption. Humidity Auto Control. Simply adjust to your ideal moisture setting. It will smartly sense room humidity and control dehumidification to maintain preset humidity levels. Automatically shut off on. Shuts off automatically when the water bucket is full, and switch it on again after the bucket has been emptied. Number 2. Easy to move, integrated with caster design. The universal pulley is one of the highlights of our dehumidifiers to get it moved from one place to another with ease by the 360 degrees rotating wheels and lift-up handle on the top. Number 3. Conveniently draining. When the water tank is full, the full tank indicator will light up. No need to check the tank from time to time. Auto drain. The dehumidifier has a drain hose outlet where you can just simply attach the 6.56 feet hose used for continuously draining. Manual drain. When the 0.66 gallon, 2.5 liters water tank is full, the full tank indicator will light up. The dehumidifier will automatically switch off and will start to turn on automatically when the tank is emptied and placed back on the unit. Number 4. Keep it for optimum performance. To keep your dehumidifiers working effectively, occasional cleaning is always appreciated. Wipe down the water tank about every 2 weeks and wash the air filter once a month using a soft cloth and water. When storing the device, first clean the base, water tank, and air filter. Then cover the dehumidifier with a plastic bag and place it upright in a well-ventilated. Number 5. Support. All Waykar dehumidifiers are covered with 30 days money back if you are not satisfied with the product. 1-year warranty, 2nd-year warranty extension, and lifetime expert tech support, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.